Morning to all of you. Our today topic is infinitive. Okay, so we should teach infinitive in detail. So this is a broad topic. Okay, and it may take more than 3 videos. So you have to watch this video in part. Okay, let's start the first part. Okay, infinitive. Infinitive. Right? What is infinitive? Basically, infinitive is a verb. It is a verb. Okay? And it is a verb. And dictionary, okay, we always find verb in infinitive form. Okay? But as far as kind is concerned, we can divide infinitive into broad divisions. Suppose we have infinitive, okay? The first one is full infinitive. Full infinitive, okay? And the second is bare infinitive. Okay, what is full infinitive? Full infinitive. Suppose in the sentence, I want to write a letter. Okay, here you can see this. This is infinitive, right? One in here one is finite verb. Finite verb, and to write is infinitive in this sense, right? Or infinite verb. Okay, we should define finite verb and infinite verb also, right? What is finite verb? Finite verb always shows us the tense of a sentence and verb agreement with its subject. This is very important. In this sentence, I want to write a letter. Want is a finite verb, right? To write, okay, doesn't matter. This is infinite because it has nothing to do with the subject verb agreement or tense. Suppose you can change this one. I wanted to write a letter, right? I wanted to write a letter. No, the tense has been changed, but this is same. Okay, so this is very important, right? Should I remove? Okay, so this one is clear. Now we should discuss what infinitive. Full infinitive. So what is full infinitive? Suppose it will be explained with the help of sentence. I have to go home. Here to go is full infinitive. Full infinitive mean with to, verb with to, okay? And then bare infinitive, let me play football. No, this is bare infinitive, okay? So this was one concept, okay? And we have clear, okay? Then we have some important point regarding infinitive. To infinitive follows certain. Let's explain furthermore. To infinitive follow certain examples. You can see some important points regarding infinitive and in this video we are going to discuss in detail with critical example, with perfect example. So look here, this is one point. To infinitive follows certain auxiliaries, okay? So when you are speaking, when you are writing, you use some certain auxiliaries in the form of, suppose, I ought to offer prayer 5 times a day. 5 times a day. Look here. So we have certain auxiliary or modern auxiliary followed by to. Okay. The next example may be he used to go. He used to go to school when he was young. Okay, look again. So we have certain auxiliary, okay, and with these particular auxiliary we use to infinitive, okay, which is full, right? Then to infinitive follows all auxiliary except a few. To infinitive follows all auxiliary except a few. Suppose I am to write a letter. I have to teach English. Right? So you can use here, but you should not use infinitive, especially with these words can. Suppose you have can, could. Listen, shall, should, may, might, needn't, dare, must. Okay? So these are verbs should not be used with full infinitive. Suppose you can't say I shall to write. This is a letter. This is incorrect. Because to should not be used, okay, here. Okay, another point, to infinitive doesn't follow the auxiliary, it means model, it means clear. To infinitive doesn't follow certain verbs, okay? So, to infinitive follows certain words. What are these certain words? These certain words may be make, may be let, may be have, maybe have rather, would rather, and so on. Look, suppose he makes me play football. I have better teach English in Pakistan, and so on. So these are the examples. Look, to infinitive doesn't follow certain verbs. So these were make, let, have, and so on. Okay? But look here, but help can be used with to and without to. Okay? So this is one exceptional case with some verb, with a few verbs, some verb of, with some verb of perception. Suppose I hear him sing. Okay? So with some verb of perception, okay, we can use bare infinitive, okay? But the case of help, suppose this is exceptional case, okay? Help can be used with to and without to. Suppose I help you I help you to complete your work. Okay? I help you complete your work. Both are correct structure. Okay? Both are correct structure. Both are correct structure. Okay, let's go ahead. Look here. So we have some function of infinitive. Use of the infinitive as a noun. So this is use of the infinitive as a noun. So what is the function of a noun? Okay, what are the function of a noun? They are the function of an infinitive. It can be used as the object of the verb, as the subject of a verb, as complement of a verb, as object of the preposition, as object complements. I will give example one by one. Suppose as the object of a verb. So if you have transitive verb is important. Transitive verb followed by full infinitive. Suppose, okay, this is important. If the verb is transitive, then the object is participle. If it is intransitive, so it will not be object, it may be adverbial, it may be adverb. This is important. Suppose, I expect to win the match. For object, we always use what. I expect what. So this is, object of a verb, right? So it is clear. Then is the subject of a verb. Is the subject of a verb. To expect. Against wrongs. We have the function of infinitive, okay, as the subject of a verb, okay, and as the object of a verb. It has been discussed and it should be explained with examples. Look here. To win against fog is difficult. So here, to win is the subject of this verb. Okay. Another is man. This is verb, especially linking verb. Okay. Static verb, and this is the subject. Okay, of this verb. No. Another option as complement of a verb. Okay, so syntax is very important. Synthetic, the element of sentence. Okay, so these are the element of sentence: object, subject, complement, subject. Okay, so as complement of a verb. So suppose he is to write. He is to write. Here, this is complement because it completes the function of here. Suppose he is happy. Happy is here what? Happy is here adjective. He is Ali. Ali is here subject complement. Happy is here subject complement. And like them, to write is also subject complement. Right? So this is important. The next one is as object of the preposition. As object of the preposition. Suppose noun does the function of as object of preposition. Suppose we can say I am thinking about Ali. So this is noun. In the same fashion, I am thinking to go. I am thinking about to go home. About. So here about is there, and an object was required to complete its sense. And the last one is what? Is object complement. Is object complement. Suppose example. He forced me to write. He forced me to write here. Look, me, this is object, and to write is the complement. Here, in this phrase, as a whole, this one is object, and this one is its complement. But in another case, this is the subject, and this is, the object of this particular thing. So here this is object complement. Okay, so look again. Infinitive you can do the function of a noun. Okay, so the function of noun may be as the object of a verb, as the subject of a verb, as complement of a verb, as object of the preposition, as object complement. Okay, watch the video, like and subscribe, and share also. Okay, thank you very much.